The impact of social media on students' learning habits. Hello everyone, my name is Esdea Cynthia. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that is very close to our daily lives, especially as students, which is social media. Almost every day, we spend time scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or other platforms. Social media has become a part of our routine, whether for entertainment, communication, or even learning. Because of its strong influence on our daily activities, it is important to understand how social media affects our learning habits. In this presentation, I will explain both the positive and negative impacts of social media, as well as some ways to use it more wisely. Before discussing its impacts, let's first understand what social media actually is. What is social media? Online platform for communication and sharing information like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or X. Social media is an online platform that allows people to communicate, share information, and interact with others. Some popular examples are Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and X. Today, social media is not only used for entertainment. Many students also use it to find learning materials, watch educational video, and discuss assignment with friends. Because it has become such an important part of daily life, social media can influence students many different ways. Now that we understand what social media is, let's look at some of its positive impacts on student learning habits. Positive impacts of social media: easy access to information, educational content, online learning communities, better communication. First, social media provide easy access to information. Students can quickly search for explanation, articles, or tutorials related to their studies. For example, many students watch tutorial videos on YouTube when they have difficulty understanding a topic discussed in class. Another benefit is educational content. Many creators share useful learning materials through videos, infographics, and short lessons that are easy to understand. Social media also helps students connect with learning communities. Students can exchange ideas, discuss assignments, and support each other in the learning process. In addition, communication becomes easier because students can quickly contact classmates or lecturers when needed. Disadvantage: so the social media can become a valuable learning tool when it is used properly. However, despite these benefits, social media also has several drawbacks that students should be aware of. Negative impacts of social media: distraction, poor time management, reduced concentration, lower academic performance. One common problem in distraction: notification and entertaining content can easily interrupt students while they are studying. Another issue is poor time management. Sometimes students only intend to spend a few minutes online by day and up scrolling for much longer than planned. For example, a student may open TikTok during a short study break and then spend much more time watching video than expects. As a result, excessive social media use may reduce concentration and make studying less effective. If this happens frequently, it can negatively affect academic performance and productivity. Therefore, students need to be careful about how they manage their social media usage. Since social media has both positive and negative effects, the important question is how can students use it wisely? How to use social media wisely. Set screen time limits, follow educational accounts, turn off notification while studying, create a study schedule. There are several simple ways students can use social media more responsibly. First, setting a limit on daily screen time can help students stay focused on their priorities. Second, students can follow educational accounts that provide useful and informative content. Another effective strategy is turning off notification while studying to reduce distraction. Finally, creating a study schedule can help students balance their academic responsibilities and social media activities. By following these steps, students can enjoy the benefits of social media while minimizing its negative effects. After discussing both the advantage and disadvantage, let's summarize the main point of this presentation. Conclusion: positive impacts of social media, negative impacts of social media, use social media responsibly, balance learning and online activities. To conclude, social media has both positive and negative impacts on students' learning habits. It can be a useful tool for learning, communication, and accessing information. However, if it is used excessively, it can become a distraction and affect students' academic performance. Therefore, students should learn how to manage their social media usage responsibly and maintain a balance between online activities and studying. Before ending this presentation, I would like to share one final thought. Social media is not always good and it is not always bad. Its impact depends on how we use it in our daily lives. As students, we should make social media a tool that supports our learning, help us gain knowledge, and connect us with others in positive way. By using social media wisely, we can enjoy its benefits without letting it distract us from our academic goals. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a great day.